Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning cycles on an Epson XP-405. Now this is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself without the use of an attached PC or laptop. All we're going to use is a few buttons seen over here and the handy little screen. So if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, this light here will be illuminated. You can just press that to be returned here. But assuming you're here, we're going to go along until we get to setup. With setup selected, we'll press OK. Now, we're going to go down and then press OK to go into maintenance. Once we're in maintenance, head cleaning is the second option. So we press down and OK here. Now this button's illuminated, we press that as shown here to start cleaning. Now this will take your printer just a minute, and what it's doing is pushing fresh ink through the printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be found there and causing you print quality issues. With the print head cleaning complete, you'll be returned to this page with the option to either finish cleaning, carrying on printing and looking for an improvement in print quality, but what I'd recommend doing is going down to the second option, which is nozzle check. And then a nozzle check is like a test page that shows you the 4 colours your printer is capable of printing, and also its ability to print them in fine detail to help you diagnose any further print quality issues. You can go in circles doing cleans and test pages until you're completely happy with the quality of your prints. The test page itself will look something like this, and that's about all there is to see. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it's been useful, if you could please let me know with a like, that's always appreciated. If there's anything else you'd like to know though, please do let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.